Hello students, how are you all? So this is my series regarding the IPM interview preparation. I am telling you regarding what questions can be asked in the IPMAT interviews and how you need to answer those questions in the IPM interviews. So let's get started. I made a complete playlist. You can go through the other videos in this playlist. Okay. So first question number 2. Okay. Question number 1 I have already made. Question number 2 is what are your hobbies and extracurricular activities? Okay. What are your hobbies / extracurricular activities? So why, first of all, you need to understand why this question is asked in the IPMAT interviews. क्यों पूछ रहे हैं इस क्वेश्चन को? The main reason is when you will get into IEM and after that when you will become a manager, you need to have some hobbies. कुछ hobbies आपके पास होनी चाहिए so that you are able to reduce stress and maintain a work life balance. ठीक है, क्योंकि when you work as a manager in big companies you have a lot of stress and to mitigate stress you need to have certain hobbies and maintain a work life balance. Okay, so how to answer this? First you state your hobby, whatever hobby you have. Okay, and also you need to tell how that hobby has helped you in your life, okay, in your studies as well as your personal life. For example, in India हर लड़का बोल सकता है कि मैं क्रिकेट खेलता हूँ. So even if you don't have any hobby, you can just tell them I love to play cricket. Okay, and you need to also tell them how that hobby has helped you in your life. Okay, so for example, you just tell them that sir, my hobby is playing cricket, and I think playing cricket has really helped me in my life as it has taught me teamwork. Okay, that what is teamwork and what is the team spirit. Or you can tell them, sir, playing cricket is my hobby and I think it has really helped me in my life because it has ensured that I maintain a good physical and mental health, and that good physical and mental health that has helped me in my studies, because for studying well you need to have a good health. Okay, so you can tell them कि हाँ sir ये मेरी hobby है and I really enjoy doing it and that has really helped me in whatever way आपको जो लगता है कि how it has helped you in your real life, but ये चीज़ ज़रूर उसमें होनी चाहिए. Okay, next अब इसमें questions क्या होगा? There will be some cross questions. Okay, now you should have the complete knowledge about your hobby. For example, if you say that sir I like playing cricket, now you should have complete knowledge because they can ask some counter questions, like they can ask what all the rules of cricket, क्या rules होते हैं cricket में. They can ask certain terminologies in cricket. जैसे बोल सकते हैं कि सर चलो tell me what is duck in cricket, या what is hit wicket in cricket, या what is free hit in cricket पूछ सकते हैं आपसे, या what are the recent cups and trophies in the field of cricket वही पूछ सकते हैं रणजी ट्रॉफी किससे रिलेटेड है. ठीक है, so they can ask you those things, those basic GK. So whatever hobby you tell them, you should have basic knowledge about that hobby. For example, you tell them sir I love dancing. Okay, so you should know डांसिंग के बारे में, व्हाट आर द क्लासिकल डांस ऑफ इंडिया, व्हाट स्टेट्स डू दे बिलोंग टू. ठीक है, कौन से स्टेट से वो बिलोंग करते हैं एंड कौन से फोक डांसेस हैं इंडिया के. यू शुड हैव द बेसिक नॉलेज. इफ़ यू टेल देम सर आई रियली लाइक डिबेटिंग, तो जो डिबेटिंग का एक बेसिक हिस्ट्री है कि सर हाउ डिबेटिंग स्टार्टेड, व्हाट आर द टॉप नॉच कॉम्पिटिशन्स इन डिबेटिंग, यू शुड बी अवेयर रिगार्डिंग ऑल दोज बेसिक थिंग्स. तो ये आपको होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड क्रॉस क्वेश्चन क्या आ सकता है? They can ask you how frequently do you pursue your hobby. Now this is very important. वो पूछेंगे आपसे कि अच्छा your hobby is playing cricket, तो tell me how often do you play cricket. आप daily खेलते हो, weekly खेलते हो, monthly खेलते हो. So whatever the reality is, just tell them that reality. हाँ sir, I really like to play cricket and I play cricket once a week on Sundays. Yeah, maybe I play cricket sir daily from 5 PM to 6 PM. Just tell them कि हाँ कि I do this hobby. Next expected third cross question is why do you like your hobby? Why do you like to play cricket? Why do you like to dance? Why do you like to sing? Okay, you should know why you like your hobby. तो इसका आंसर बेसिकली वही है कि हाँ सर I like singing, yeah I like to dance because I believe that it helps me keep calm, it helps me keep calm and composed, and it really helps in improvement of my physical and mental health. So you should know that why do you like your hobby. Next is note 1. If you have many hobbies, अब कई बच्चे होते हैं ऑल राउंडर, उनकी बहुत सारी हॉबीज़ होती हैं कि सर मैं क्रिकेट भी अच्छा खेल लेता हूँ, मैं ना सिंगिंग भी कर लेता हूँ, मैं पोएम भी लिख लेता हूँ और मैं डिबेटिंग भी कर लेता हूँ. सो इफ़ यू हैव मैनी हॉबीज़, जस्ट प्रायोरिटाइज योर हॉबीज़, जिसमें वट एवर इन विच एवर हॉबी यू हैव द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ अचीवमेंट्स, जस्ट गिव इट प्रायोरिटी 1 एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट प्रायोरिटी 2. बट मेरे हिसाब से डोंट टेल मोर देन 3 हॉबीज़, मैक्सिमम 3 हॉबीज़ बताओ. ठीक है, उससे ज़्यादा हॉबीज़ अपनी मत बताओ. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट very important note is many students might be lying in this category. If you don't have an hobby, तो क्या करना है? सर बोले सर मैं पढ़ती रह गया, ये मत बोलना उनको कि सर मैं पढ़ती रह गया, मैंने आज तक की कोई हॉबी है ही नहीं मेरी. जस्ट डोंट टेल देम दिस, ठीक है? डोंट बी अशेम्ड ऑफ इट. टेल देम दैट सर आई लाइक प्लेइंग वीडियो गेम्स. You can have a hobby of playing video games. Tell them, sir, I just like to go out with my friends and play. ठीक है, मैं खेलता हूँ फ्रेंड्स के साथ अपने जाके. या ये ऐसी हॉबी है जिमिंग जो एवरीवन कैन टेल कि सर आई रियली लाइक टू गो टू द जिम. ठीक है, अब इसमें ऐसा नहीं होगा कि वो आपसे पूछेंगे कि चलो दिखाओ अपने डोले दिखाओ. इट विल नॉट बी लाइक दैट. दे विल आस्क यू सम बेसिक, अच्छा टेल मी सम एक्सरसाइजेस फॉर मेकिंग योर बाइसेप्स, या टेल मी सम एक्सरसाइजेस फॉर योर चेस्ट. इस तरह बेसिक क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. या फिर इफ यू डोंट इवन गो टू द जिम, जस्ट टेल देम आई लाइक वॉचिंग मूवीज. दे विल आस्क यू कि सर अच्छा टेल मी विच इज़ द लास्ट मूवी यू वॉच्ड. जस्ट देख के जाना कोई अच्छी मूवी. जस्ट टेल देम कि हाँ आई वॉच्ड दिस मूवी. And then sir I really, then they'll ask you the story, and they can even ask counter question. They can ask you कि अच्छा what is the moral of that story, what moral did you get. So just tell them, yeah, you just tell them I love to watch web series. See, but all these things है ना, ये एकदम last option है. If you don't have any hobby, okay, you can just tell them I like to gym, I like to go to the gym, I like watching movies. So you can tell them. Now I'll tell you regarding a free interview program which we are launching. We'll be conducting your free mock interviews, online mock interviews, and this will be completely free program. You can register on that program by registering on the link at the bottom, or you can contact us on 9926803758. What are the benefits of this program? You will get best mentorship under top teachers of India who are themselves selected in IIM and pass outs of IIT. Next, you will get 2 free mock interviews. Next, you will get live workshops. In these live workshops, we'll be discussing how to answer these questions, right? And what are the questions that can be asked. Next, there will be GK workshop in which we will be teaching you the complete GK which can be asked in the IPMAT interviews. There will be personalized feedback session after the mock interviews, so as to tell you what weaknesses you have, what strengths do you have, and how you need to improve those weaknesses. Next is your PI handbook, which we'll be providing you, in which in the PDF format, in which an exhaustive list of questions which can be asked in the IPMAT interviews will be present. Okay, these are our mentors. All are from IITs, IIT IIM, and have more than 30 years experience. Okay, Pankaj sir 30 years plus experience, or also 30 years plus experience. Okay, so if you really like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.